Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Okay, we'll be starting out on Tuesday as there's no trade rooms on Monday. Tuesday, 8 o'clock for Canada's core CPI. And then we'll be back in the room at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, and then 9:45 p.m. for the New Zealand official cash rate. Wednesday at 2 a.m. there's a British report, no trade room, it's the CPI PPI report. We'll start in the trade room at 9:45 a.m. on Wednesday for existing home sales and the crude oil inventory report. We'll be back at 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction, and then 1:30 p.m. for the exciting FOMC meeting minutes. The meeting minutes is one of our YouTube streams of the week, as well as the API crude oil report on Tuesday is one of our YouTube streams as well. Wednesday at 4 p.m. we'll be back in the room for NVIDIA earnings, and then at 6:45 no trade room, but we'll be watching New Zealand's retail sales. Thursday morning, we'll be getting up at 3 a.m. in the trade room for the French Flash Services Manufacturing and the German report. Both of those are family money trades, and the action starts at 3 a.m. on Thursday in the trade room. The British version of those reports is at 4:30 a.m., but no trade room for that. We'll be back on Thursday at 8 a.m. for unemployment claims, 9:15 for three events: Flash Manufacturing, natural gas storage, and new home sales. And then Friday we've got three events to finish out the week: core durable goods at 8 a.m. with Canada's retail sales, and then 9:30 a.m. for the revised University of Michigan consumer report. Friday's 8 a.m. core durable goods will be our fourth YouTube stream of the week. We're trying to stream once a day if possible every week going forward. So we'd love to see you as a new pro member. If you're not already joining us in the trade room every day, there's always exciting action, profitable reports to trade, and you can learn how to do this by becoming a pro member now. All the information is in this email. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the trade room next week, and I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, signing out.